How to put text behind character on CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to put text behind person in CapCut. So now here is my video. After you add the video to timeline, right click on the video and then go to copy, click on your timeline, right click and paste. So after you paste in the video, now make sure to align the video with the second one. So now hide the first clip. After you hide the first clip, now select the second clip, go to this video, remove BG, click on this auto remove. So now it will remove your video background, and then come back and unhide the first clip. After you unhide the first clip, so now go to this text section and then click on this text. So now here is my text. So now all you have to do now, drag the text to fit the video length. After that, now click on the text, go to this option and type in the text what you want to add to. After you type in what you want to add, so here you can increase the size. After you finish all this, now you can resize the text. After you resize your text like this, so then you can just, now all you have to do, drag the second clip above the text. So now here is it now, and make sure to align the second clip with the first clip. So now if you play your video, so as you can see now there is text behind my video, and that's it. If this video helps out, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.